Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the worksheet. So here you can see on the bottom, see this one. This one is our worksheet. So you can just access for the worksheet from by here. You just need to click here, right? Just click here, and you can just see this one. This kind of window will open up for worksheet. So basically, either you can just access for the worksheet from at the bottom, or you can just go in the collaborate tab. Just click on the collaborate, and here you can see this. Here is a worksheet options, a worksheet tool. Basically you just need to click here, and you can see this kind of window will open up, right? So first let me tell you what is worksheet, right? Workset is basically a kind of tool which allows team members to work together. Basically, with the help of Workset, you can just assign different kind of work to different team members. Basically, you can just divide architect, architect things done by architect, structure things done by structure, and plumbing things should be done by uh, plumbing consultant. In this way, and you can further assign your team member in particular discipline. Basically in architect who will make the who will place the wall, who will place the door, this kind of thing you can just do with the help of this workset tool, and which part of the drawing should visible, and which should have not visible, have not to shown right now. This kind of things we can just control with the help of workset. So let's see how the workset works. So just let me click on this. Currently, you can see this here the active worksheet is showing worksheet one here, and you can see here also active worksheet showing worksheet one. So what this mean? Currently, let me just click on here first. Yeah, this kind of window just open, and here also you can see this active worksheet showing worksheet one. So you can just check your active worksheet from here and from here, and at this from the bottom you can see here from, right? So currently we have when you just open this kind, when you just click on this worksheet, this window will open. Here you can see currently we have two worksheets, share, level, and grid, and this worksheet one. This worksheet is by default present, right? Basically it's given by Revit. So what does this mean? Currently we have active worksheet as worksheet one. So what does this mean? This worksheet means, so if you just add any members or element, it will by default go in worksheet one, unless you just create more number of worksheet here in the bottom, right? So you can just create more number of worksheet from here, right? Just let me click on the new. Uh, Let me click right on the name of the wall, right, and press enter, and let me click more, and CULUMN column. So basically what if I just created here as a worksheet wall, so I can just active worksheet as a wall, and press now my current active worksheet. If I just click on the OK, so you can see active worksheet as a wall, and here you also you can see this as a wall. So what does this mean? If I just draw any kind of wall here from here, it will just go in the wall, right? If I just draw any kind of you can see, let me exit, and if I just click here on the wall, so you can see here. So you can see here the identity data here. You can see worksheet each wall, right? And if I just click here on this one, so you can see this was I had drawn earlier. So you can see this one is belong to worksheet one. So if I just wanted to change this one, so I can just change from here also. Just click here and see if this wall is now belong to this wall get from the wall, right? The worksheet for this wall is now wall. So in this way, you can just select the worksheet and draw. the element which you wanted, or you can just later change with the help of this property, right? And now we will see more things here. As of now, we just understand what how to add the basically new workset and how to use this workset. Basically, with the help of workset, you can just allow different members to different your team members to add a particular part of their things. Right, the wall which belong to architect team. So architect team members can add the walls. Column basically belong to the structure team. Then the structure team has to be add this column. Right. In this way, basically you can just divide your work. So here you can see editable options. You can see yes, yes, yes. So as of now, I just added this these two this column wall, and I just started this central model. So I have the access for this currently. So I can just if I just click on the no, then anybody can edit, anybody can just add the column basically, right? So you can see the project has not been synchronized. Okay, currently this one is not synchronized, that's why this kind of pop-up comes. So let me first make it as synchronized. I will just click on the synchronize and click on OK. We have already seen this one, right? So how to synchronize, and it is showing saving right now. So I will just click on workset, and right now I feel if I just click on no, so if I just click on no, then basically I just I'm just giving a authority everybody can anyone can just edit the anyone can just edit the wall, anyone can just edit the their grid levels and everything. Matlab basically for which one I will just grant permission, right? So because this worksheet are created by me, so it is showing so I have to grant the permission for this, right? If I let's see, if my column if I just click on the yes, and I will if I just close my yeah, I just wanted to my active asset. So basically if I just wanted to close my work, right, and if I just close the work, if anybody just wanted to change in this particular in column, just wanted to shift my column or add any column, then he need to he will ask me permission before basically he can't shift my column. Basically for that he will just request me, and I can just see my request. See, here is my pending request. So from here, if anybody have made the request to shift my column or to add the column, so from here I can just uh, see my request. Or if I have just made any kind of request to someone else to shift their wall, or if I just made I have just asked any a plumbing consultant to shift their plumbing anywhere else because my columns or my beams something is coming there, so I can just see my request also from here, right? So basically if I just if I just wanted anybody if I just wanted to allow anybody can just shift my column, then I just need to click on no. So if everybody can just shift my column wherever they just wanted to write. So this one is for editable. Now you can see here the owner option, and if I just click on the yes, you can see owner. So it will show you the owner who is the currently owner for this. So he can just make me request for that particular thing, right? So now here you can see here is a yes or no option. So what it mean by this one? Yes, and visible in all view. What does this mean? So basically, you can see we have just drawn this one and this wall in this rectangle, and this single wall each belong to this wall. So if I just click on this visible in all view, just click on just I'm just deselected this one and just click OK. So you can see this wall and which are belong to this wall, each and you just can't see here, right? So if you just wanted to see that one, so you just need to go in the view, right? Here you can see visibility graphic. We will see this visibility graphic in detail. As of now, just see this worksheet option. You can see this wall and we currently see just all the worksheet are visible. See, this one visible, this one visible, this one visible, but this wall is not visible. You can just make it visible from here. See, so hide. You can just click on the show and just click on the OK, and you can see these are now visible. So that's how you can just use this option. Now let me show you next thing. Um, we have just seen this what you mean by this column, right? Now we will see what you mean by open. So if I just click here, no, right? If I just click open, so if I just click on the no and just click OK, so this again these are gone. So uh, if I just wanted to see from with their visibility graphic, right? If I just go in the workspace and currently see, you can see I just selected the show option only. So still you can't see this object, right? Because we have just selected, because we have just selected the no option in the open the row, open column, right? So in this way, you can just use this these things. Now let me show you what are these code things basically. You can see here is show option, user created. Uh, these are the created by me. Basically, you can see we just get two worksheet by default, and basically this shared labels and create, and this and worksheet one. And I just created wall and column. So you just see user created. If I just deselect this one, then it will not show anything. If I just click here, it will show something which I have just created. If I just deselect, let me select the project standard. So here are some more things from the project standard. If I just click on the views, let me deselect this one. You can just families you can just access in this way, right? These things. See, in this way you can just use your worksheet. So just for the moment, just let me click OK.